I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just.
Welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Scoofy here, back with another video for you guys today. And today we have the AirPod 3rd generation here. Before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell as well, all right? Let's just go ahead and jump on into the video.
I ain't built like them. You gotta.
All right, and we are back. So let's go ahead and open these things up. And I'm pretty excited for these because I thought I was gonna like the Pros when those came out. And honestly, for me personally, they weren't the best. The sound was really good on them. They looked really cool. They did last a little bit longer than the standard ones. And the only thing I didn't like about them was they didn't stay in my ear. They came out really easy. I have a smaller inner ear. So like I said, that's just for me. Some people have a bigger inner ear, so the Pro version might work better for you. I also didn't like the cushion on the end, the little silicone cushion they put on there, so I didn't like that feature as well. Like I said, some people do like that, but I personally don't. I don't care for noise cancellation as well, so if you care for that, you probably do want the Pro version. But other than that, don't really care for it. Now, if you look inside the box here, it does come with a C cord, okay? So this is a C. It's a C port on the bottom, as you can see there. So really, really different on the AirPods. I don't remember on the Pros if they were C, if I'm being honest. I feel like they were the standard, lightning cable on the bottom of the headphones. So not too sure about that. I do know those had MagSafe as well. I didn't know that at first, but I do know now. If you guys want to take a look at the comparison and the specs and all that stuff, I will go ahead and show you guys a quick clip of what the comparison is to the other headphones. So here you go, there you go. You can speed through that real quick, pause it whenever you need. But that's pretty much the difference. There's not really that much different between this pair and the Pro version, okay? For the extra, what is that, 70-ish bucks? It was 180 to 250, roughly around there, 70 bucks. I don't think it's worth it to just get noise cancellation and have less battery life. Personally, I don't think it's worth it. And these to me fit a little bit comfortable, so I like these better. They fit much more comfortable than the Pros personally. And I've had those, I have now these, and I do still have the standard first generation ones. Personally, the first generation ones fit the best. I don't know what it is about those. They stay in my ear, they don't come out at all. Other than that, these are pretty good, okay? I do recommend going with the first generation ones or the second generation ones. Just the standard AirPods, I think those fit the best. But honestly, everybody's ears are a little different. If you do like the Pros and how they fit, then that's fine. Usually people that like those, their ear is usually a lot bigger than the normal. So that's what I've seen. But most people that I ask that have the Pros, and like I said, I did once have the Pros, they tell me that they're pretty big and they fall out a lot. You notice people not have them in their ear. I want a headphone that I just want to keep in my ear because it's comfortable and I don't even notice it being there. All right, that's just me personally. But like I said, these are really, really nice. These are really good. They sound good. They do have the MagSafe charging, as you can see here. Really, really nice and easy. Pretty cool, right? You got wireless charging with your headphones. But other than that, like I said, I like the first gen better. I like just how they fit in my ear. These are good, they fit comfortable. I do think if I were to shake my head hard enough, they would fall out of my ears. But those first gen ones, man, I know I keep talking about it, they never did that. I even play basketball with those in my ear because they just never fall out. Like, it's that serious. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys the new AirPods 3rd generation. So if you're thinking about picking these up, to give you an idea on which pair you should get, I think you should save the money and just go with the 2nd gen version or the 1st gen version. Just the first looking version is the one I would go with. These will be a good one to go to if you kind of want an upgrade and you want something new, you want more battery life. Wireless charging, stuff like that. If you want all those features, then I would go with these, but I wouldn't really go for the Pros like that, okay? Just my personal opinion. that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, and turn on the notification bell, all right? Scoofy here, and I'm out.
Just 'cause I haunt you, it don't mean I want you, I don't.